Good morning everyone. Today I bring for you new recipe pumpkin pie. This recipe is so beautiful, so yummy and nice. Easy to make. Let's go. This is our ingredients. This is my first step. First I will make short crust pastry. I am using the butter. If you have using for margarine, you can also use the margarine as well. I use the butter, sugar and flour and pinch of salt and eggs. I am adding the eggs. Egg is optional. If you want to use the milk also as well. I will mention the recipe in description box. Mix together everything butter, sugar, flour, salt, egg to mix at a time in the machine bowl. If you don't have machine bowl, you can also use your hand. So if you want to use your hand, make sure use the butter room temperature. My dough is getting ready already, so I will give the rest to my dough 15 minutes in the fridge. See, the texture of the dough is soft. Now I give rest. After a 15 minutes, I make the small ball. Take the flour into your hand, shape pastry into a bowl on a lightly floured board and roll the pastry. I am using the machine here. You can use the rolling pin. Once you use the rolling pin, make the dough 25 cm thin. Gently press the dough in the bottom. Cut off any excess pastry hanging in the sides of the dish and pinch pastry secure around inner edges also. The other side, I prepare already my pumpkin pie mixture ingredients. I have here sugar, allspice and cinnamon, egg and egg yolks, pumpkin puree and salt. I am using the heavy cream here. You can also use milk and half of cream. I add the sugar and allspice and cinnamon. And then I add the eggs and egg yolk. If you have vanilla paste or vanilla essence, you can also use that one. Put the few drops of vanilla and then I will add the cream to make my pumpkin pie is creamy and soft. And then I mix together everything. My mixture is getting ready. Pour into a prepared pie dish. And then the other side, I already prepare my oven. Preheat the oven 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. And then once I get the temperature, and then I put my pumpkin pie in the oven for 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes, my pumpkin pie is look like this. I get the golden brown color of my pumpkin pie. It looks so yummy, so delicious and so soft. And then I put in the fridge. In within 2 hours I give rest. After the 2 hours, I remove from the pan my pumpkin pie. I cut it nicely with hot water. See the texture of pumpkin pie. And then I put on top apricot glaze. That's why my pumpkin pie is becoming shiny. And on top of cream rosette and little bit of berries, mixed berries. See the texture of pumpkin pie is so good, yummy and delicious. Soon I will bring for you new recipe. Thank you so much and subscribe my page. Thank you.